All right, number 6. An outdoor restaurant in a summer resort closes only on rainy days. From past records, it is found that from May through September, when it rains one day, the probability of rain for the next day is 0.4. So, we're using R for rain and R complement for not rain. So if it rains one day, the probability for rain the next day is 0.4. Which means that the probability for no rain would be 0.6 because these have to add up to 1. As it continues, the probability of rain for the next day when it does not rain is 0.06. So if it does not rain, the probability for rain on the next day is 0.06, which means that if it doesn't rain, the probability that it's not going to rain again the next day is a 0.94, because just like these two arrows have to add up to 1, these two arrows have to add up to 1. And we can translate that down into this transition matrix. This is part A. So let's do part B. All we have to do is piece this in, right? So we have R to R, that's our 0.4. Our R to our R complement is our 0.6. Our R complement to R, 0.06. And our R complement to our R complement is 0.94. And that's for part B. Now for part C, it asks us if it rains on Thursday, what is the probability that the restaurant will be closed on Saturday? Well, it's asking for 2 days later, right? Every day is another state. So if it starts on Thursday, Saturday would be 2 days later. So we're looking for a second state. So since it doesn't give us an initial state matrix, all we have to do is take our transition matrix and take it to the second power. And when we do that, we get rain to rain, 0.196, rain to not rain, 0.804, not rain to rain, 0.0804, and not rain to not rain, 0.9196. Now the question itself is asking about rain to rain, right? So if it rains on Thursday, what is the probability that the restaurant will close on Saturday? Because the restaurant only closes when it rains. So that's rain to rain. That's a 0.196 probability that the restaurant will close on Saturday. Now, for the next part, part D, it says on Sunday. Well, that's just one more day, so all we have to do is add another number, right? So it's asking for a third state. Now we're looking at P raised to the third, right? So we have rain to rain, 0.2664. And as a matter of fact, we don't even need to find out the other ones because we know rain to rain. That's the same thing we figured out the last one. So if it rains on Thursday, the probability for rain on Sunday is 0.12664. And that's it.